Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, August 23rd. The Zen story for today is titled The Echo Beneath the Floorboards. The first time they heard it, the monks thought it was the wind, a low, steady hum rising up from beneath the floorboards of the old meditation hall, so soft it was hard to tell if it was real or just imagined. No one mentioned it at first, but over the next few days it returned, always at dusk, always beneath the floor. Not loud enough to disturb, just enough to make the air feel heavier, like someone was sitting under the floor, breathing very slowly. One of the novices, a quiet boy who had arrived only weeks before, seemed unable to ignore it. While the others filed out after evening meditation, he stayed behind, pressing his ear to the wooden floor. At first, they teased him gently. "Hear anything interesting down there?" someone asked. The novice only nodded, but said nothing. By the end of the week, he began bringing his mat to the back corner of the hall, as close to the sound as he could. He lay on his side, ear against the floor, breathing with the rhythm of whatever was humming below. One night, a senior monk approached and sat beside him. "What do you hear?" he asked softly. The novice waited a long time before answering. "Not sound," he whispered. "Not exactly." The older monk frowned but didn't press. In the morning, the sound was gone. In the afternoon, nothing. Only at dusk, when the light turned thin and the air seemed to hold its breath, would it return. Then one evening, the sound did not come. The novice lay there anyway, ear pressed to wood, body motionless. It didn't return the next day either, or the day after. But the novice kept returning, long after the others had stopped noticing. And though the hall fell silent, he stayed listening. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body around. You may close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What have you heard only in silence? And who might you become if you kept listening? What have you heard only in silence? And who might you become if you kept listening? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What have you heard only in silence? And who might you become if you keep listening? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.